Hello everyone, welcome back to Commerce School. Myself Khushbu Gupta and you are all welcome to Commerce School. Okay, so today we are going to start our business studies for grade 12 CBSE part 2. Okay, the name of the part 2 is Business Finance and Marketing. In the previous video, in the previous class, we have seen the syllabus for the part 2, right? Or you can say the part B. Okay, so we are going to start the first chapter of the part B. You can call it as a chapter number 9 because we have covered chapter 8 chapters in part 1. We have not covered, we will do part 1 along with the part B, part 2 also. But first of all, I am starting with the part 2, or you can say part B. Okay, whatever you want to call it. It can be called as a chapter number 9, it can be called as a chapter number 1 of the part B, as you wish. So name of the chapter is going to be the same, that is financial management. So let's start with the financial management. Okay, so now you tell me, have you ever wondered why some businesses succeed while others fail? Well, one of the biggest reason is how they manage their finance, right? So in this video we will discuss two important concepts, that is business finance and the financial management. And one more thing, you can refer any book, but these are my notes. Okay, you can see here Commerce School, or my notes made by me. Okay, so if you will refer these notes, it's going to be very useful for you, better than the, better than the any book, any reference book. So here I will discuss, I will share the my notes as well as I will explain you. So it's going to be very useful for you. Okay, so you can refer any book, but if you will refer these notes, it's going to be really very helpful for you. Okay, so we will learn what they mean, business finance and the financial management, both terms we will discuss today. Okay, we will learn what they mean, why they are important, and how they impact the businesses. Okay, so make sure you watch till the end because I have some interesting insights for you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Commerce School for more lessons. Okay, for the updated notifications. Okay, so let's start. Introduction, meaning and definition of the financial management we will start with. First of all, financial management. Before learning the financial management, we will first of all take the introduction of the chapter. The success of a business depends on how well finance is managed, right? A business means a business may have a great idea and high customer demand, but if it is does not manage its money wisely, it will fail, right? So it's success of any business depends upon the finance. As a finance is a very important thing. Okay, so businesses need finance to start, run and grow efficiently, right? So means we can say finance is needed at every stage of a business, not only at the beginning, not only at the running. In fact, at every stage we require the finance. Let's take an example. Before starting a business needs money for rent, furniture, license, etc., right? I'm talking about the start of the business. While running means to run the business, we need finance. Why? Because it needs money to buy the stocks, pay salaries, and cover the daily expenses. We require money for growing our business because it needs funds to expand into new locations or invest in the new products, right? So this is why we need the finance, business finance, to start, run and grow efficiently. We will discuss each and every single term in detail. Okay, so now we can say two important concepts we will cover here, that is business finance. First of all, before learning the financial management term, you must be aware of what do you mean by business finance, right? This is nothing but a money required for the every business. Means we can say this is the money which any business require for running the business, for growing the business, for starting the business, right? So financial management, then after getting the finance for the business, finance is nothing but the money you need to run the business, you need to have to grow your business, to start your business. Okay, so after getting the finance, after having the finance, you must be able to manage that. If you're spending the whole money, you have taken some loan suppose, and you are spending the whole money, and then after you don't have the money to pay, then you will be in the loss, right? So the financial management is definitely required so much, because if we are not managing the finance properly, then the business will definitely fail. So efficient planning and the control of the funds is required for every business. So financial management is very important. What the CA do? CA definitely ask their clients for managing the finance properly and tells them some strategies, right? So this is what the function of the financial management is all about. Okay, now before this was the introduction of the chapter for the financial management, where we have introduced the term business finance and the financial management. Now let's see in detail some information about the business finance, means meaning and importance. Means meaning of business finance. First of all, what do you mean by the business finance, right? Business finance refers to the money required to start, operate and grow business. We have already seen. Means business, if I want to start a business, whether it is small or big, I need finance, I need money, right? Because without money I cannot start my business, I cannot run my business, means I cannot operate my business, and definitely for growing I need finance, I need money. So money is required at every stage, right? And no business can function properly without the adequate finance. Means finance for a business is like a fuel for the vehicles, right? So if the fuel is not there, then the vehicle cannot run. It is like a blood in our body. If the blood is not there, we cannot move from here to there. So this is all about the finance. Equally the finance is the for the business. Okay, now why it is important, why is business finance needed, why business cannot run, cannot operate, cannot start without finance. So there are some reasons we will discuss here. What is the purpose of the finance, means business, and why, what example we can take of having the finance. Okay, so starting a business, if you're starting a business, what example you can take for what you need to why you need to have finance. Suppose a person opening a cafe needs money for rent, furniture and kitchen equipment, right? um Person opening a cafe needs money for rent, equipment and for furniture and for kitchen equipment, we can say. Without this they cannot even open the cafe, right? Can we? No, no. So we need finance. Running day-to-day operations, we need finance for running the day-to-day operations. Means a retail store needs finance, right? A retail store need finance to pay the salaries and the purchase the stocks, to buy the inventory, right? Without the daily expenses covered, the business will stop functioning, right? If you are not paying the daily expenses, will the workers work? No. If you are not paying the rent on time, then the owner will take his property back, right? So expanding the business, if you want to expand your business, if you want to grow your business, then also we need finance. Like we can take an example like Zomato. Okay, a company like Zomato expands to the new cities, right, which require the funds, right? If we are opening the branches, definitely we require the finance, right? Without finance they cannot hire the delivery staff in the new locations, right? For for what purpose, for what are the more purposes we require the finance? For buying any asset we require the finance, right? A factory needs money to buy the machinery and the tools, right? Without machines, production slows down and affecting the profits. So if you don't have the money to buy any machinery, how the factory will work? So this is why every business require the finance, we can say. So what is the managing the daily expenses? For daily expenses also we need finance, right? Like paying the electricity bills, rent, employee salaries, etc. So we require the finance. Okay, okay, so all these things we require the finance. Okay, paying electricity bills, rent, electricity bills and the taxes. Without financial planning, the business could face the legal issues or the shutdowns. Okay, sometimes business have to be closed just because they have the shortage of the finance. Okay, so this is all about the business finance. Why, what do you mean by business finance, why it is required for every business, what is the purpose to have the finance? Okay, I think you got it. Okay, now let's take at the recap of what we learned till now. Business finance is the backbone of a business, right? Yes, business is the backbone of every business. Without finance, business cannot function, expand or stay competitive, right? So to be in the market you need to have the finance with you, right? So if you found this video useful, like it, comment in the section, share with your friends, and please subscribe for the more updated notifications. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, keep learning, happy learning. Bye bye.